Hi, I'm Kirti. I completed my graduation of BSc Computer Science from Bhavan's Vivekananda College. I started working as an quality assurance from Cognizant. Then, profoundly, I found interest in data, so I started working as an MIS. It's been already 2 years that I worked as an MIS, so to upskill myself, I thought of doing Power BI course. After browsing everywhere, I found OdinSchool as a great platform to learn as they are providing PL300 Microsoft certification. And also, me being working professional, I prefer weekend classes, which is another advantage from boarding school. They are providing weekend classes from morning 10 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. So I really thank Odin School for making me achieve my little milestone in my career, that is getting PL300 certification, which is also helping me gain knowledge and also upskill myself in the current position which I am in. Thank you, Odin School.